So this is just my opinion. There are certain tools in your mobile detailing that I think you should definitely have, and I have two tools that I'm going to show you guys, and I'm telling you, this tool is very good for mobile detailing. Okay, so I'm going to open the van and make you guys and show you guys the tool. I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay, one of them is this right here. Go to Amazon and get one. Please, you could go in the description, and there's a link down there to go on Amazon, and it will help out the channel. It's an affiliate link. So I put this right here. When I put it right here, it stick right here. Look, see? See? This is very good for car detailing. Clean, fast, and it's really powerful. Good, firm. It's not even like garbage. It's pretty decent, and it's cheap. It's not like it's like $50 or $60. You go up there, you could get it for like $10, $20. And the other one is this, my favorite right here. This right here, guys. This thing can go up to 20, I think it's like 26 inches. Okay, this thing is very good. Look at this. Sorry guys, I'm using my one hand. Look how long that thing is. Look at that. Look at that. It could go between the seat. It could go into tight, very tight spot in the places in your car, in the car that you try to clean. So guys, I'm telling you guys, go in the description. I will leave the link in the description. Go in the link, click on it, and please guys, subscribe, like, support the channel. I'm gonna try to give you a lot of video like this that will help you guys with your mobile detailing business. Okay, so this is number one, and this one is number two. Okay guys, so look, you see, I put this right here. So look what I did.